Today's video is going to be on how to scuff your truck with scuff paste, and the proper way to do it, and a couple reasons why you want to do it. Is some of these edges and some of the spots may be hard to get to, and using a Scotch-Brite and some scuff paste will make the paint adhere better. Not only that, the scuff paste helps clean the panel and stuff like that. It's handy to use. So the first thing you need to do is pick you up some scuff paste. I'll show you what we use. Then drive your truck to a water hose. The first thing you want to do when scuffing your truck is to get the stuff that you're going to need. Well, you need some scuff paste. They make different brands, but Scuff Stuff is pretty good. I actually enjoy it. It smells pretty good too. As you can see, this is all the benefits of using this. That's the part number. Now the Scotch-Brites will depend on what kind of paint you're going with. If you're going with a metallic, go with more of a gray Scotch-Brite. But if you're going with a normal base, just solid color, red Scotch-Brites work great. You can actually use red Scotch-Brites with metallic too, but you got to have practice. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on them, because you can actually leave deep scratches and your metallics can turn over in them. So something caution. For professional use only. Enhances coat and adhesion. Some good stuff though, guys. So show you what to do next after we got that out of the way. So first thing you want to do is wet your scuff pad. That's what we're doing here. Take you some scuff paste, open it up, and you probably have to take the little thing off on the inside right here, because it is a brand new bottle. Whoops. Stuff like that happens, guys. So let's go ahead and add some scuff paste. Now you wet the panel before you put it on it, and then you just scuff it. Show them, Tim. Just like that. And you want to get in all the edges here and everything. We probably have to pop the hood to get it, but we want to go ahead and scuff this whole truck down. But the ain't really much to it. You just need to get all the edges and be sure not to put too much pressure on it, because the scuff paste actually got some little particles in it that helps paint bond to it, and you don't want to make wedges for your metallics and stuff to groove into and show up, and it makes a shitty looking paint job. So just take your time, scuff paste and clean every panel extremely good, and yeah, that's basically it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this truck. Let me show you what it looks like after we're done. As you see, we are spraying the scuff paste off as we go. We've been doing it in sections, making sure we get every nook and cranny, every corner, around these doors good right here, around these mirrors good right here. We probably take these mirrors completely off. Around the chrome trim right in here. All that needs to be pretty well scuffed. Very good. Especially if you're trying to do a budget, you got to scuff around a lot of this stuff, because if two-sided tape runs into your budget, you can damage these pulling these off and have to find them and buy them, and sometimes they can be expensive or hard to find. That's another thing you got to take into account when doing budget paint jobs. But scuff paste is doing great. We're going to clean it off here, rinse it off, and wet check everything one more time, because I always wet check my panels several times before spraying. Let it dry, and I'll show you guys what it looks like now after the scuff paste. So all in all, this truck is going to be painted black. Going to address these dents here, and then we'll be spraying it. But I am going to spray something today. I'm going to remove the hood, and I'm going to be spraying it today. So I probably have a video on this. Now I some spots here and here that's metal showing. You can just mix your 2K epoxy, spray right over it. So that's pretty much what the truck looks like after scuff pasting. As you can see, the color of the truck has went to more of a uniform color. As before we started, it wasn't. Now you want to make sure you ain't got no shiny spots. You want to go over all your hard to reach edges, even around your mirrors, down here with the scuff paste, especially on these jobs you are trying to save money on, and budget jobs like this paint job is. Now I'm going to be showing you what supplies is going to be used on this truck and everything in upcoming videos. So be sure to hit that notification bell or subscribe to the channel and check back, because I upload new videos almost daily. So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, be sure to mash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section what you use if you do this for a living and what you prefer if you don't like the scuff paste. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.